161. Given data is regarding certain number of pilgrims who attended the Kumbh Mela in 2021 at 5 different places. The pie chart shows the percentage of people who attended the Kumbh Mela in 5 places, and the table given below shows the pilgrims who attended the Kumbh Mela from other states. First, in pie chart, total pie chart, Allahabad, Nasik, Haridwar, Ujjain and Kurukshetra. First, all these are adding, it will be 100%. In that 100%, what the percentage are completed? 23.5, 29.5. 23.5 plus 22.5. 46 plus 19.5. 65.5 plus 11.3. 76.8. What is the remaining? 23.2%. 23.2%, that is equal to how much value are given? 2784. Okay, then we are get the 100% value. We are get the 100%. 23.2 means 232 one time, again 2 times, means it will be 120 times, means 100% is how much? 12,000. 100% value 12,000. 23.2, if it is considered 232, how many times it is? 12 times. Denominator 0, it will become multiplied by 10, it will be 120 into 100. What is the total value? 12,000. Total is how much? 12,000. And one more, what is the condition here? Places Allahabad, pilgrims are attended from other states is how much? 20%. Other states are attended how much percent? 20%. First, in Allahabad, what the percentage are given? 23.5%. What is the 1% value? 120. 20%. 20%. How much? 2,400. Again, how much percent are adding? 3.5%. What is the 3%? 360. 0.5%, 60. Total it is 420. Already 2,400 plus 420. 2820. 2820. Next, what is the next one? Nasik. What is the Nasik percentage? 22.5%. How much percent are less? 1% less. Then we are subtracting 120. What is the remaining? 2,700. Next step. What is the Haridwar value? 11.3%. Means 11% plus 0.3%. 11 into 12. 132. Means 11% is 1320. Again 0.3%. 1% or 120 means 0.1% or 12. 0.3%, 36. Total it is 1356. That is which one? Haridwar. Haridwar is how much? 1356. Next one. And 2784 already given. Ujjain already value 2784. Next, Kurukshetra. What is the percentage? 19.5%. That is considered 20% minus half. What is the 20%? 2,400. 0.5% means 60. What is the remaining? 2340. 2340. All values are getting. Next, what is the table are given? Places Allahabad, pilgrims are attended from other states. From other states, how many members are? 20%. 20% of which one? 2820. What is the meaning? Total attended Allahabad Kumbh Mela 2820. In the 20% are which one? Other states. That value are subtracting, we are get the local members. Yes or no? Out of 2820, 20% are which one? Other states. That value are subtracting, we are get the remaining members are local members. Okay. What is the 20% of 2820? 564. Next, Nasik value 0.08 times of which one? 2700. Means 0.08. 2 decimals, 2 zeros are cancelled. 8 into which one? 27. That will be 2, 1, 6. Next, 25% of Haridwar. Half, again half. What the half of the value? 678. Again half. 3. What the half of the 1356? 678. Again half. 339. 339. Next, 1/6 value. 1/6 of which one? 2784. Divide by 600. 6 how many times? 4. 38 means 6 times. Again 400. Next, 204 less than that people from Ujjain. Already 464. Compared to that one, 204 less. What is the remaining? 260. 260. And out of 2820, we are subtracting 564. We are get the local people. And 2700 minus 216. We are get the local value. What is the first question? While the train traveling from Nasik to Haridwar, it takes 15 minutes per hour in a stop. When with stoppages, the train travels at the speed of 60 km per hour. Then find the speed of the train without stoppages from starting point to the destination. Simply we are saying, and here stoppage time are given how many minutes? 15 minutes. One will be speed is given. That speed are with stoppage or without stoppage? With stoppages speed are given, but required without stoppage speed. What is the stoppage time concept? Product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into 60. What is the stoppage time concept? Product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into time difference. Sorry, product of the speeds or difference of the speeds? Difference of the speeds. Difference of the speeds by maximum speed. Difference of the speeds by maximum speed into 60. Maximum speed into 60. Maximum speed means it is also considered with stoppage or without stoppage? Without stoppage. Suppose without stoppage speed are S. With stoppage speed are 60. Means we written S into 60 by, difference of the speeds. We written S minus 60 by, what is the maximum speed? S or S minus 60. With stoppages 60 km per hour. Without stoppage S km per hour. What is the difference of the speeds? S minus 60. With stoppages 60 km per hour. Without stoppage S km per hour. And difference of the speeds means S minus 60 by maximum speed. S or 60. S r multiplied by 60. We are get the stoppage time per every hour. What is the stoppage time per hour? How many minutes are stop? 15 minutes. Means right hand side value written 15. 15 how many times? 4 times. And it will become 4s minus 240 equal to which one? S value. 4s and S difference is 3s. 3s equal to 240. S value are 80. Difference of the speeds by maximum speed into 60. We know the with stoppage speed, but we required which one? Without stoppage speed. Next question number 162. In 2019, the total number of pilgrims who attended the Kumbh Mela from outside of the city is how much? 3045. Find the percentage decrease of outside pilgrims from 2019 to 2021. And what is the 19? This value are related to 21 or 19? 21. But 2019 already how many members are given? 3045. Okay. First 2019 all the values are adding on. Other cities are only local. So outside means other cities are. Okay. All the values are adding or subtracting? Adding. 64 plus 16. 80 plus 60. 140 plus 64, 204 plus 39, 243, 43 return 2 carrier, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 2, 16, carry value 2, total it is 18, 1843, and already value 3045 compared to 3045, 1843, how much value are decreased? 1202 and 1202. What is the question here? Percentage decrease of the pilgrims from 2019 to 2021. How much value are decreased? 1202. It is calculated on which one? It is calculated on 3045. 1202 by 3045 multiplied by which one? 100. It is almost more than 40%, but nearby 40%. What is the nearest value? 39. What is the 10%? 304.5. 40% means double, again double. It is closer to 40%. What is the answer? 39. Next 163. Out of the total pilgrims who attended for Kumbh Mela, there are men, women and children. 1/5 of the pilgrims are women and 2/3 of the remaining are men. Out of the men pilgrims, the number of Naga sadhus are 6.25% of which one? Total men pilgrims. Find the difference between the men excluding the Naga sadhus and children. First, out of the total pilgrims attended for Kumbh Mela. What is the total pilgrims attended for Kumbh Mela? Already we know 12,000. What is the total pilgrims? 12,000. In that 1/5 are which one? Women. Means what is the 1/5 of 12,000? 2,400. What are the remaining members? 12,000 minus 2,400. 9,600. In that 2/3 are which one? Men. What is the men value? 2/3 of 9,600. That will be 6,400. Women are 2,400, men are 6,400. How much value are completed? 8,800. What is the remaining? 3,200. That is number of children. And what is the question here? Out of the men pilgrims, the number of Naga sadhus are 6.25% of men pilgrims. Means Naga sadhus are 6.25 means 1 by 16. 1 by 16 of 6,400 means how many members? 400. What is the question here? Difference between men excluding the Naga sadhus. Excluding the Naga sadhus means men will be 6,000 and compared to which one? Children. What is the children value? 3,200. What is the difference? 2,800. Next question number 164. Outside pilgrims are approximately what percentage of the inside pilgrims are? What is the outside pilgrims? 1843. It is compared to inside pilgrims. Inside pilgrims means local value. Means 12,000 minus 1843. What is the remaining? 57. 119 means 119 minus 18. What is the remaining? 1, 0, 1. 10,157. 1843. It is what percent of 10157 multiplied by 100? Approximately. What is that? 1%? 101. 1% is how much? 101. But numerator value 1843. It is almost 18 times. What is the nearest value? 17.75. Approximately what percentage of the inside value? What is the 1%? 101.57. If you required 18%, 18 into 101, it will be 18. Means it is more than 18%, but nearby 18%. What is the answer? 18%. If we are taken only 101, we are getting 1818. Again it will be 0.5 times, we are getting how much? 50 more. 1818 plus 50 means it will be closer to 18%. Next question number 165. What is the, find the number of pilgrims come from other states. What is the answer? 1843. Next question number 166. The table shows the cumulative percentage of employees of a city who are working in 5 different companies and the ratio between men to women and ratio between night shift working employees to the day shift working employees. The number of employees working in a company is 1,25,000 and here cumulative percentage of number of employees. What is the company A total employees? 25%. Next, company B, 40%. 40%. Next, company C, 5%. Company D, 10%. Next, company E, 20%. Cumulative percentage. Next, in 25%, what is the men and women ratio? 3:1. Total how many parts? 4 parts. 4 parts are how much? 25%. Every one part 6.25 means women is 6.25. Men will be 18.75%. Okay. Next, what is the in 40%? What is the men and women ratio? 3:5. Total how many parts? 8 parts. Every part 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. Next, in 5%, what is the men and women ratio? 1:1 means men will be 2.5, women also 2.51. Next, in D, what is the ratio? 1:3. 10% is 4 parts. Every one part 2.5. 3 parts 7.51. Next, in 20%, what is the ratio? 3:2. Total 5 parts means 3 parts are 12. 2 parts are 8%. That will be men and women all are converted to percentage or value? Percentage. Again, night shift employees and day shift employees are night shift employees and day shift employees. First, night shift and day shift. In A, what is the ratio? 3:2. Total 5 parts means 25%. Then every one part 5%. 3 parts are 15. 2 parts are 10%. Next, in 40%, what is the ratio? 3:1 means one will be 30, another one are 10%. Next, in 5%, what is the ratio? 4:1. One will be 4%, another one are 1%. In 10%, what is the ratio? 7:1. Total 8 parts. That will be written 10 by 8. 10 by 8 means 1.25. 1.25 means day shift is 1.25. Night shift is 8.75%. Next up, in last one 5:3 ratio, 20% means 8 parts, divide by 8 means 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5. 5 parts means it is 12.5%. 3 parts are 7.5. All are converted to in terms of percentage. And what is the note is given? Number of employees working in company is 1,25,000. That is represents how much percent? 25%. Means 25% equal to how much value are given? 1,25,000. Every 1% is how much? 5,000. Because here 3 zeros are 2 zeros. 3 zeros. Every 1% is how much? 5,000. Total employees is how much? 100%. In that men value are getting, women value are getting. What is the women total value? Women total value 6 plus 25 31 plus 10 41 plus 9 49 means 49.25%. Women is how much? 49.25. Obviously men will be 50.75%. Okay, 50.75. What is the day shift total value? 21 plus 8, 29 plus 0.75, 29.75. Okay. What is the night shift employees? How much? 70.25%. Okay. What is the first question? The number of women employees over 5 companies is what percentage of the total number of employees? What is the answer? 49.25. What is the 167? The number of night shift employees of companies B and C is approximately what percent of total number of night shift employees? What is the night shift B value? 30. C value 34. Means written 34 upon 70.25. Okay. It is closer to 50%. Answer 48. Next 168. What is the average of day shift employees excluding company D? What is the company D? What is the total day shift employees? 29.75. In that, which one are subtracting? 1.25. What is the remaining? 28.51. Into which one? 500. Sorry, 5000. Divide by 4. Okay. 10 already cancelled. 10 already cancelled. 4 how many times? 500. 125. End with 5 1. Because 285 into which one? 125. End with 5. Which option? Second option. Next 169. 90% of the women employees of company D are night shift employees. In company D, the number of day shift working women employees is how many persons more than the number of day shift working men employees? 90% of the women employees of company D are which one? Night shift employees. In company D, the number of day shift working women employees is how many persons more than the number of day shift working men employees? Company D, out of the night shift employees, 90% of women employees are which one? 90% of women employees of company D are which one? Night shift employees. What is the company D total value? Company D total 7.5. In that, how much percent? 90%. What is the remaining? 10%. 10% of which one? 7.5. That is considered 0.75%. 0.75. In company D, the number of day shift working women employees is how many persons more than the which one? Number of day shift working men employees. Day shift working men employees. What is the 90% of 7.5? 6.75 or 6.75. What is the total employees in company D? 10%. In the 10%, 6.75 are which one? Women are. What is the remaining? 3.25. That are which one? Men employees or women employees? Men employees. Then we return 0.75 compared to which one? 3.25%. Okay. One is 0.75, another one 3.25. What is the difference? 2.5. What is the 1%? 5,000. Means 2.5. 21% is how much? 5,000. But we required which one? 2.5%. 2.5% means 2.5 into 5,000. What is the value? 12,500. 12,500 means answer is none. How much? How many? Working men employees. What is the 90% of 7.5? 6.25. Out of 10 we are subtracting 6.25. We are get the which one? 3.75. That 3.75 are which one? Men which one? Men which shift? Day shift or night shift? What is the total employees in company D? 10%. In that, what is the men value? 2.5. Women value? 7.5. In that 7.5, 10% are which one? Day shifter. What is the 10% value? 0.75. Night shift 6.25%. 6.25. One will be day shift. It is day shift. And here 6.75. 6.75. 0.75 are day shift. 6.75 are night shifter. Okay. And in company D, the number of day shift working women employees. Day shift working women employees means what is the value? 0.75 is how many more persons than the number of day shift working men employees are? Day shift working men employees. What is the total night day shift employees? 1.25. Total night shift 8.75. 8.75. What is the question here? Is how many persons more than the which one? Number of day shift working men employees. Day shift working men employees means already we know night shift female value 6.75. What is the total night shift value? 8.75. Out of 8.75, female are how much? 6.75. What is the remaining? 2%. Those are in male. Which one? Night shifter. Male night shift. And what is the question here? Day shift value are required or night shift value? Day shift. What is the total males here? 2.5. In the 2.5, 2% are which one? Night shift. What is the remaining? 0.5%. One will be 0.5%. Another one are 0.75%. What is the difference here? 0.25%. Okay. 0.25% of which one? 5,000. What is the answer? 1250. It is not none. It is 1250. Next 170. What is the ratio in the total number of men employees and total number of day shift employees? I think direct question. What are the men employees? 50.75. And what is the day shift employees? 49. Sorry, day shift 29.75. Okay. What is the double value of 50.75? 100, 100.51, 29.75 double, 58 plus 1.5, 59.5, again double. What is the 101.5 double? 203. Next 59.5 double, 119. Both are in 7 multiples. 7 how many times? 2 times, 9 times. 7 how many times? 17. What is the ratio? 29:17. Next question number 171. 5,000 students are attending a competitive exam. There are 3 sections in the exam, namely quantitative, logical reasoning and verbal learning. 3 are given or 2? 3 is given. One will be quantitative, another one logical reasoning, another one verbal reasoning. Total how many students are there? 5,000 students. Out of the total students, 22% are unable to clear any sections. Means 22% are not clear, means clear value 78% of which one? 5,000. What is the 78% of 5,000? 3,900. Means all these values are adding, it will become how much? 3,900. What is the first line is given? The total number of students who clear the quantitative section is equal to the total number of students who clear the logical reasoning section, which is how much? 2180. Means logical reasoning total how much? 2180. Quantitative section also 2180. Means entire quantitative section 2180. Entire logical reasoning also 2180. What is the next one? 500 students cleared all the 3 sections. Means here combination of all the 3 are 500. Next 520 students clear the only verbal section. Means here value is how much? 520. Next the number of students who cleared the quantitative and logical reasoning section is how much? 980. Quantitative and logical reasoning means this total value is how much? 980. In that already 500 means what is the remaining? 480. Next 900 students cleared both verbal and logical reasoning. 900 verbal and logical reasoning means this total value is how much? 900. In that already 500. What is the remaining? 400. Okay. What is the total logical reasoning? 2180. In that how much value are completed? 1380. What is the remaining? 800. Okay. Next 300 students cleared only the quantitative and verbal sections. Only the quantitative and verbal sections means here value 300. Okay. What is the total quantity value? 2180. In that how much value are completed? 1280. What is the remaining? 900. Remaining 900. All the data are filled. Questions? No? $195. The below line graph decline the capital revenue percentage of 5% A, B, C, D, E, and the table shows the individual return on investment ROI. Return on investment ROI. Total investment are given how much? 1,50,000. Percentage of capital are given. What is the A capital? 18%. What is the B capital? 28. So on is given. Again person A, what is the individual ROI? 5,400. B individual ROI 10,920. And one more ROI, it is also equal to which one? Revenue minus capital. And return on investment percent, it is also equal to revenue minus capital by capital into 100. Okay. Simply we are saying selling price minus cost price, it is equal to profit. Then profit percent is equal to selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. What is the question here? Add A's return of investment is 6750 more than the actual and capital remains are same. What would have been the ROI percentage? A's return investment is 6750 more. What is the return amount of A actually? 5,400. Means compared to that one, how many rupees are more? 6750 more means return 5,400 plus 6750. Total it is 12,150. 12,150. But capitals remains are same. Means capital of A. What is the capital of A? 18%. Of which value? 1,50,000. That will be 27,000. 27,000. What is the question here? What would have been the ROI percentage? And required ROI percentage. What is the ROI value? 12,150. That is calculated on which one? ROI percentage. Again required which one? Revenue. ROI percentage, it is equal to which one? Revenue minus capital by capital. First of all, what is the difference? Revenue means again we written which one? Revenue minus capital equal to ROI. Then revenue equal to how much? ROI plus capital means these two are adding how much? 39,150. 39,150. I think ROI percentage, it is equal to revenue minus capital. We are get the same or different? 39,150 and 27,000. What is the difference? 12,150. That is calculated on capital. What is the capital value? 27,000 multiplied by 100. Without writing this one also we are get the answer. It is more than, what is the 10%? 2,700. What is the 40%? 10,800. More than 40 or less than 40? More than 40 but less than 50. Then answer 45. Remaining questions? No?